Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Math Mantra. I know I have not released any videos from last few months. I was busy with something and I was not well, so was not able to do so. But today I am back with one more video for you. This video is based on one of the Olympiad questions being asked to one of my students in his Olympiad exam. And we are going to see how to solve that question. So let's see the question first and then I'll discuss the solution with you all. So this is the question. Oliver has a rectangular garden with an area of 28 square meters. Its length and width are whole numbers. Okay, this is not whole, it's whole numbers of meters. The length is 3 meters longer than its width. Oliver places 50 cm by 50 cm tiles together to make a continuous path surrounding the garden along its edges. How many tiles does Oliver need? First of all, let's understand the figure. So it's a rectangular garden with an area of 28 square meters. Now the formula to find the area of a rectangle is length times width, or we can also say length times breadth, right? Now here the area is given to you as 28 square meters and we need to find the length and width. Now for 28 we can have different combinations, like 2 times 14 gives us 28, 4 times 7 gives us 28, right? Here we have a hint. The length is 3 meters longer than its width. Length is always the longer side. So if this is the length, it is not 3 meters more than 2. So this is not the correct combination. If we see this length 7, it is 3 more than 4. So that means the length is 7 meters and the width is 4 meters here. Correct? Now, as we found the length and width, now they are asking us that how many tiles Oliver needs when she places the tiles on the edges. That means she is going to place the tiles here on the edges of the rectangle. Now how many tiles are needed? Now there are two ways to find. One is, because we know that the length is 7 meters and the tiles are given in 50 centimeters. The units are different. So we will convert this 7 meters into centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 7 meters is equal to 700 centimeters. So in this path of 700 centimeters, how many 50 centimeters tiles will fit? Now 50 centimeter by 50 centimeter means this and this. This is 50 centimeter, this is 50 centimeter. So this is 50, 50, 50, 50 for all. So how many 50s we need to make 700? So basically we need to divide this 700 by 50. So 0, 0 cancel, 5 times 1, 5 times 14. So for the length we get 14 tiles. 14 here, 14 on this side. Width is 4 meters. 4 meters is nothing but 400 centimeters. Now width is nothing but 4 meters, which is 400 centimeters. Again in this 400 centimeters, how many 50 centimeters tiles can fit? So 5 times 1, 5 times 8. So that means here there are 8 tiles that can fit. So 8 here and 8 here. So together if you want to find, it's 14 plus 14 plus 8 plus 8, which is 16. So this together gives you 8 plus 6, 4, 14 and 4, 44. So this is one way to find. Other way is you find the perimeter of the rectangle, which is 2 times length plus breadth. So 2 times length plus breadth is 11, which is 22. Now in this 22, this is 22 meters. Again, if you convert it into centimeters, is 2200 centimeters. Again, divided by 50 to find how many those tiles can fit. So 5 times 1 and 5 times 44. So here also you get the answer as 44. So both the ways you get the same answer. So how many tiles Oliver need is? She needs 44 tiles to surround the garden along its edges to form a continuous path. Okay, let's take another 2 examples which are shared by one of my students from Canada. So I'll just display those questions and we'll discuss those questions too. From Canada. So this is the second question. The ratio of grade 8 students to grade 7 students on a trip is 7:5. If there are 14 more grade 8 students than grade 7, how many students are on the trip? This is very easy actually. Grade 8 to grade 7, the ratio is 7:5. So these are grade 8 students, 7, and these are grade 7 students, 5. So right now in the ratio, if you see, there are 2 more students in grade 8 compared to grade 7. Correct? Now we need 14 more students in grade 8 than grade 7. So if there are 2 more students right now, if we need 14 more students, that means we need to multiply this 2 with 7. That will give us 14 more students. So if we are multiplying these extra students by 7, that means the ratio also we will multiply by 7. So the ratio we'll get is grade 8 49 and grade 7 is 35. If you check 49 minus 35, if you do, you get 14. So there are 14 more students in grade 8 compared to grade 7. So these are the number of students in grade 8 and these are the number of students in grade 7. Now the question is how many students are on the trip. So on the trip means you need to find all together how many students are there. So 49 plus 35, this will give you 84. So there are 84 students in the trip. I hope you understood this, what we did here. 2 more students were there in grade 8 than grade 7 in this ratio, 7:5, right? Now, because it's 2 more and now we need 14 more, we multiplied this 2 with 7 to get 14. So we did the same with the ratio to get the total number of students in grade 8 and grade 7. And then we added the 2 numbers to get the total students on the trip. Okay, one more question we'll take. This is the next question. Joshua sold a batch of tickets for carnival rides. The ratio of adult tickets to child tickets was 2:5. After he sold another 70 adult tickets and 300 child tickets, the ratio changed to 1:3. How many adult tickets did Joshua sell in total? So he is just concerned about the adult tickets. Okay. First of all, the ratio of adult tickets to the child tickets is 2:5. So this is the initial ratio. Now, when we say initial ratio, adult to child, that is 2:5. That means if 2 adult tickets are sold, compared to that 5 child tickets are sold. Now obviously it wouldn't be 2 plus 5 as 7. initially. So this number multiplied with some constant number x, similarly this number multiplied with the same constant x will give us 2x and 5x. That means initially the adult tickets sold were 2x and the number of child tickets sold are 5x according to the initial ratio. Now after he sold another 70 adult tickets, that means initially he sold 2x, then he sold another 70, that means now the adult tickets are 2x plus 70. And then he sold 300 more child tickets. So initially he sold 5 times x and now it's 300 more. So the child tickets becomes 5x plus 300. And after doing this, the ratio has changed to 1:3. That means now if you find the ratio of adult to the child, that means 2x plus 70 over 5x plus 300. This is how we find the ratio, by dividing the two. This will give you 1:3 as the ratio. Now what we'll do is cross multiply, because we need to find this value of x. Now when you cross multiply, this 3 will multiply this term, so it becomes 3 times 2x plus 70. And here since it's a 1, we'll just have this 5x plus 300 over here. Now use the distributive method. 3 will multiply with 2x as well as it will multiply with 70. So 3 times 2x is 6x, 3 times 70 is 210 is equal to 5x plus 300. Now transpose the x terms on one side and take the numbers on one side. So 6x plus 5x will turn minus 5x here. 300 will stay here. Plus 210 will turn to minus 210. Now 6x minus 5x is just 1x. 1x is equal to 90. So we got the value of x as 90. Now we need to find how many adult tickets Joshua sell in total. So we are only concerned about the adult tickets. So adult tickets are 2x plus 70. So 2x plus 70, substitute the value of x. X is 90. 2 times 90 is nothing but 180, plus 70 will give you 250. So the total adult tickets sold by Joshua are 250. If they ask you about child tickets, that also you can find. Just substitute the value of x in this 5x plus 300. So 5 times 90 plus 300, which will give you 5 times 90 is 450 plus 300. Which is nothing but 750. So even if they ask you child tickets, you should be able to find by using the value of x. And if they ask you the adult tickets, that we have already found here using the value of x. Right? I hope you have understood all these 3 questions. If you still have any more doubts or you have any other questions, just post them in the comment box. We'll surely make some videos on those particular questions and then share them with you. Thank you very much and see you soon with another interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Have fun with math.